Hi everyone, this is Kay, and today I'm going to walk you through how to report a major infraction in Illuminated. Seeing how we've already been through inputting minor infractions, I thought we'd start right at the menu. Just like minor infractions, we're going to start on the toolbar on the left side and click Behaviors, and then Create Major Incident Report. This will take us to a screen where we'll now input background information. All right, and then we'll go down to short description, and we'll have all the categories that would warrant a major incident report. Today we're going to go with out of bounds, and then click Start Major Incident Report. When we come up to this screen, we will start by entering the time period that this took place. We'll say that the incident happened during a class period, and then we'll give our detailed description. The scholar was when we're inputting information on major and minor incident reports, you must make sure that you record how many redirections were given to this scholar. Should also make sure that you record the inappropriate choice that the scholar made. To leave. Once we're done with detailed description, we'll continue scrolling down to location. We'll put classroom. Continue scrolling down, just like minor incident reports. We don't need to fill out every category. We just need to make sure we hit the key categories. All right, it looks like after we have location in, we are good to move on. We'll then go to participants. Under student name, we'll find the scholar. And this time we're going to click inappropriate choice maker and then add participant. If you would like to add another scholar, just kidding. We're going to move on to report status. Now this is very important. Unlike minor incident reports, we will be changing the report status when we put in major reports. So we will go from draft do not use, and we will change it to pending dean review. This will make sure that our infraction report pops up. And then after that, we will update report status. But before we X out of this, after we update report status, we'll go back to the top and we will click Save Changes. This has been the walkthrough on how to input a major incident report on Illuminated. I'm Kay. Thank you for your time.